Here's how to report spam in Gmail in 2026. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account. Find the email you want to report as spam. Click the checkbox next to the email or open the email directly. At the top, click the Report Spam icon. It looks like a stop sign with an exclamation mark. Gmail will immediately move the email to the spam folder. You can select multiple emails at the same time and click the Report Spam icon to block them all together. For extra protection, open the email, click the three dots, and choose Block Sender. And that's it. You've successfully reported spam in Gmail. Subscribe for more fast and simple Gmail tutorials.